Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to make a tutorial about how to add a drone camera and a drone view display on this remote control game object here. You see this guy, he is controlling the drone, acting as a person that control the drone, and I'm going to add a camera view inside this display in his remote control. Okay, let's get started doing it. Let me stop the game, and here is my scene. I've already added this game object. It is simply a plain object. No, it is here inside. Yeah, this one, plain. What I'm going to do is to add a camera drone view here to make it more realistic. Okay, let's get started by opening my I have this folder. I'm trying to be more organized to add everything regarding to the drone here inside this folder. First thing that I'm going to do is to create a material, RC display. I will call it RC display. And RC display, I will apply the material here to the plane. The next step is to create a render texture. This render texture should be RC RT, remote control render texture. You can name it whatever you want, and I will use this render texture as the albedo reference here. And for the size of this render texture, I'm going to set it to something like this. You can type any amount here according to your need. And then we have the material, we have the render texture. The next thing is to add a camera to this drone object. So here inside the drone object, it is here, the cube drone. Yeah, inside this game object I will add a camera, and this camera, I'm sorry, add it again. Camera, where is it? Alright, the camera, I will place it somehow here, somewhere here. I'll change it this way. Okay, then here you see target texture. It is here in this camera inspector. You have target texture here. Use this render texture as the target texture, and that's all. Very easy and simple, right? I can go on to test my game. I go to my first scene, which is this inside this folder. Yeah, hit the play button. We did it without any scripting. Pretty simple and easy, right? Okay, let me play the game. It is my drone, and let me see the texture. Yeah, I can see the display there. You can see it, right? Or better, this way I can place it side by side Can you see that, guys? I can move the drone, and this guy is seeing what the drone is saying. Alright guys, that's all for this tutorial today. Thank you for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and like button, and share this tutorial to your friends who want to learn Unity. And here I am doing this tutorial as part of my journey of learning Unity and making my own games. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye guys. See you soon.